You know, Christmas is rolling around, and if Santa really did swing by, fix that roof antenna, or zoom in overhead, he wouldn't be using a cheap HT. Let's get into it. Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Merry early Christmas to you. I know this video is coming out the evening before Thanksgiving, and that's fine. We definitely want you to be aware of what I'm about to tell you. So Santa wouldn't pull out a cheap OHT, right? He's not going to pull out a Balfang. What he is going to pull out is this. 100% believe this. This is the Kenwood TH-D75. You can see that right there. What a beautiful radio. Very durable, strong. This is not the stock antenna, however. This is an aftermarket antenna, but these are absolutely fantastic. The radio that this could, track sleighs, call the reindeer stable, check APRS, and hit a repeater from the pole to the North Pole. That is what's outstanding. So here is why this radio would be Santa's pick, and why it should be under your tree this year. And while I'm reading this off, I'm going to put the radio up so you can take a good look at it. Today's video is brought to you by GigaParts. GigaParts.com is fantastic. They do have a physical store and on University Avenue in Huntsville, Alabama. However, you can shop anywhere online, GigaParts.com, and if you use my coupon code HamShackTV, you're going to get double rewards points. And in some cases, especially with ICOM or Yaesu, you're going to get quadruple rewards points. So check out GigaParts.com. So here's what I love about this radio and why I believe Santa's using it. It has tri-band coverage, 144, 220, and 430, 440. Whether he's checking 2-meter local repeaters or grabbing 70 centimeter simplex while flying over fog-bound hills, the TH-D75 covers what matters. Also does digital voice and data, plus APRS, plus GPS. He doesn't need maps, just a quick ping. With APRS and built-in GPS tracking, even if he hits a blackout, the TH-D75A keeps reporting location. Good for crews, scouts, and prepping. Rugged, weather-ready, long battery life. Cold chimney soot, blizzard dust, static electricity from reindeer fur. This radio was built for it. IP rated, tough, and ready for any winter. Now, my script for some reason did say long battery life. If there is anything I do complain about this one, is it on receive, it has a great battery life. Transmit, you're going to run this down pretty quick. Jason, my buddy, Ham Radio 2.0 KC5 HWB, has a connection with a company that makes bigger batteries for this. So you might want to check those out over on Ham Radio 2.0. Multi-mode flexibility, FM, D-STAR, digital, and wideband receive. Local nets, APRS networks, emergency channels, even NOAA and weather broadcasts. It's a true do-it-all rig under one hood. So yeah, if Santa carried a radio, the TH-D75A would be the one hanging next to those reindeer reins. And this is the holiday season, thanks to GigaParts, you can grab one for yourself. This video is being recorded right now on November 26th, and the GigaParts Black Friday sale is in progress right now. So check this out. This radio is regularly $695. You're going to get it for $675 and 95 cents. So about $20 off there. You can get a 10-year warranty on it for $10. You have to use the promo code PROTECT as well. And also you can get a Mars mod for $5. This is regularly. That is insane. I just read that. Your Mars mod, which would make this radio be able to do GMRS, not endorsing that, but it is possible. The Mars mod regularly $60. You can get it done for $5. How about that? That is just fantastic. So go over to gigaparts.com, look up the TH-D75. I got a link down in the description down below. as well. Check this one out. Wrap it, drop it under your tree. Give a gift to yourself this Christmas, or maybe you've got another ham friend in your family. There you go. Maybe you don't need sleigh bells, but you do need comms that don't quit when the lights go out. From my shack to yours, Merry Christmas, happy prepping, and may your rails always stay lit when the world goes dark. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the chat. Guys, can't say thank you enough again. My promo code applies to anything on GigaParts.com. So if you use HamShackTV, you're going to double up your rewards points. And again, if you use ICOM or Kenwood, or ICOM or Yaesu, you get quadruple rewards points. So check that out. GigaParts.com. Coupon code is HamShackTV. Merry Christmas, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.